This is the first safety razor I ever really purchased that I used. So you see the knurling right here. This is one of the attributes of this razor that I really enjoy. This is pretty grippy. I wouldn't say it's grippy as some other razors on the market, but for the price, absolutely, this is perfect. This will divide a lot of people. And the reason why I say this, you have guys that like small razors like myself, and you have ones that like longer razors, and it's your personal preference. Now, I will explain to you why I prefer smaller razors. I like to rest this little thing here, right here on this finger. This is extremely easy for me to use because I like to rest it. Some guys like to hold the entire thing. I don't. I prefer to hold it like that if I use a safety razor. That leads me to another thing. The ease of access on this. Very easy to open. As you can see, no blade inside of it. Okay, you hear that? It's ready to open. That's one benefit of this razor. It's a 2-piece, not a 3-piece. So if you're brand new to this piece is attached to here. You only have a cap, and that's it. Whereas like the Edwin Jagger D89, which is this is heavily compared with, which is longer, hell of a lot more prettier. This is more on the rugged side. But I will say this, I've used this for many years, and I have to say, if you're looking for a first safety razor, this is perfect for that. Okay? Absolutely. And this will take any DE standard blade. As far as I know, this is basically pot metal, and I think it's zinc alloy that's on here if I remember correctly. Y'all can correct me down in the comments. I'm sure someone will know the alloy, where it's made, the manufacturer name, the year it was made, all that other stuff. This is a fingerprint magnet, as you can see. If that drives you nuts, this will probably make you crazy, but it's not too bad. You can just wipe it off. It's not that big of an issue. One of the reasons why I would recommend this razor is, first off, it's beginner. Second off, it has the knurling here that's excellent to hold in your hand. Third, if you want to try a small razor and hold the grip like I am right now, that was extremely helpful. And it's not too aggressive here. It's relatively easy. You can go with the grain, across the grain, or against the grain relatively easy, no problem. And when you use a safety razor, lock my wrist. You take this on your face and you feel the blade, lock the wrist, and use your arm to shave. That's the easiest way to do it. I would say if you're going to get a Merkur, if you're going to try a Merkur, a first one, this is definitely on the Mount Rushmore Merkurs that I would give a shot to. This one, the Progress, which I did a review on, the Mergress. I've always wished someone would make something down here, because they make it for the Progress, or they make all kinds of adjustable knobs and everything, and I've always waited on someone to do something for the bottom part of this razor, but it's never happened, and that's just sad in my opinion. But hey, what can you do, right? If you guys are interested in another video, like I said, I do have the Merkur Progress, but it's been modified, so it's actually the Merkur Mergress, and I will leave that as the next video up here if you guys would like to watch that. And for future reference, my Instagram page is linked down in the description, and that is where you can follow daily content. And please subscribe down below, and y'all have a wonderful day.